By the end of the video, we'll know about protein powder for weight loss. Say goodbye to extra pounds. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of protein powder and its role in weight loss. Protein is a macronutrient that your body needs for a variety of functions, including building and repairing tissues, enzymes, hormones, and other chemicals. It's often recommended to consume 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Diametize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. When it comes to weight loss, consuming protein has been found to boost metabolism and reduce appetite. It also helps you feel fuller and maintain muscle mass during weight loss diets. In fact, one study found that participants who increased their protein intake from 15% to 5% of total calories experienced an additional 90 calories lost each day. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. So there you have it. Protein is a key player in any weight loss journey. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and maintain a healthy lifestyle, consider incorporating protein into your diet, or even trying a high-protein supplement like our premium whey protein powder. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more fitness tips.